Hello everybody, this is Edward Deckard coming to you live from InfoComm 2026, and I'm here with IPEVO today, and that would be www.ipevo.com if you go to look us up. Today I want to show you our new P2V camera that is an object camera, differentiated from our document cameras in that you can get to within 1 centimeter of the object that you're trying to view and show the fine detail. For example, if you're a science teacher in high school or in a college, you can zero in on the fibers of a butterfly's wings as one example. But this one goes beyond that too. That you can actually take it off and use it for any kind of a Zoom meeting, to zoom in on somebody that you want to give an introduction to. Hello, there I am. Hi there. And so it comes with several different ways to mount. You can mount it on your display and have that view. You can also, it's hard to do with the microphone, but you can mount it on the stand that comes with it and adjust it into any kind of a position you need to move it into to get the view that you want in as much detail as you need. So that is our P2V Ultra camera, and just look us up at www.ipevo.com. Thank you so much.